And our tour begins. The Maldives is ranked consistently as one of the top dolphin watching destinations on our planet. However, you do have to pick the most opportune timing. That would be the dry season between January and April. The time of day is also key, which is mornings between 9 and 10:30 and in between mid-afternoon to early evening. The dolphins love the attention. They are extremely interactive and curious social creatures. So feel free to let them know your enthusiasm. The dolphin tour is a fantastic experience for the whole family. However, if you're feeling a little more adventurous, the Shangri La has you covered. Their dive centre can organise yet another activity that should appease even the most hardcore of wildlife enthusiasts. Welcome to the Turtle Tour.
What we're going to do now, we jump from the boat. We are exactly on top of a very nice reef. It's like a submarine shape. Okay? On top of it, we have amazing lettuce coral formation when we normally see the green turtles sleeping there. If we are lucky, they also go up on the surface and they free dive again because turtles need to take air. Okay? They are not fish, they are reptiles. So we will spend a couple of minutes looking for the turtles. Then we swim a little bit following the shallow reef because here the top of this submarine shaped reef is around 4 meters.
Yes.
So if you also feel to free dive a little bit to make close-up shot to the turtle, feel free to do it. I will point them to you. And then we can simply continue watching the shallow area. So we go this direction. And as much as you want. I mean, if you want to continue, we continue. If you want to come back to the boat, you just tell me, the boat will come close to us. A lot of surgeon fish. The dory from the movie Nemo is the blue and yellow surgeon fish. We can see a lot. Snapper already. So if we are lucky, we can see a big Napoleon wrasse. I normally see it when I dive in this reef. It's a huge, massive green fish with big, it's harmless. Let's see if we can see a white-tip shark. We must be very lucky, but if I see, I will point. Visibility is okay right now, so...
What species of turtles are we looking for today?
Green turtle. The biggest can get approximately around 1 meter length.
Oh, wow.
The smaller one with a white beak are called hawksbill turtle.
We've just stopped off at the House Reef and we're going to look for some turtles here, but if we don't find any, then we're going to get moving. If you want to get intimately close with the turtles of Maldives, you've got to put in some work. Unlike the dolphin tour where you sightsee from the comfort of your boat, seeing the turtles will require you to get into their habitat. That's right, this one is not for weak swimmers. We get lucky. Within no time, I see the silhouette of an olive ridley. This is epic. I've never swam with turtles before, and what happens next is a memory I'll always keep with me. That's right, that is a turtle resting on a bed of corals. It's a pretty rare sight to see these beautiful creatures catch a snooze, so this is an extremely precious moment.
Amazing. That was so awesome.
How many turtles you saw?
Like so many. I think like over 10.
Okay.
All right.
To get a taste of local culture, the Shangri La has organised a tour to the adjacent island of Medhoo. And by now, it's obvious. To get anywhere in the Maldives, you need a boat. A 30-minute jaunt takes us to the nearby island, Medhoo. Far away from the luxurious sprawl of Villingili, Medhoo is a true locals island. Medhoo means big island in Sanskrit. There's no tourists here. This village is mainly known for its farming, and it's the source of all the vegetables that the Shangri La uses in its restaurant. That's as local as it gets. The village centre is known as the Katugay. It was an old historical building renovated by Shangri La, and it's now home to a library and also serves as a historical museum of the island. It's a twofold benefit. Besides the organic growing practices, Shangri La gets to employ the nearby locals for a steady year-round supply. It's bartering at its best.
This is our daughter Medhoo, and this is a third biggest island in the country, and our population is 3,500 people. 40% people are living in Malé because we don't have that much jobs. So that's why most of the educated people, they move to Malé area. So 2,000 people are living in this island. And our island is very famous. This is we call a farmers island. Most of the people, they are doing farmers. Our main income is tourism and farmers. But we don't have fishermen much. Very few people going to fishing.
So what do you grow at this farm?
Here we have a lot of things like banana, we have papaya and cucumber, chilies and watermelons and potatoes, tomato and different varieties we have local.
So with the fruits and vegetables, do they get exported to the other islands here or?
Yeah, we export it to Malé, and most of the vegetables we send Shangri La because they are helping us, Tere and Shangri La, because most of the supplies we send to Shangri La.
What are the main things that Shangri La looks for?
This is very important for us. Because of the Shangri La opens, many people move to islands also. Even me also, I'm working before 26 years in Malé at all. So after that Shangri La opened, I was moved to Shangri La. So I'm very happy to work there because before I can meet my family once a year. Now every day I can meet. So that's why I'm very happy to work in Shangri La. This is very important for us. Shangri La is open hotel in this atoll.
The farmers use greenhouses and the drip feed method to grow cucumber, watermelon, bitter gourd, beans, chili and pumpkin. Nearly 45 varieties of vegetables and fruits. So how spicy would a dish be if I put all of these in it?
You cannot. But sometimes the Sri Lankan they can eat, no? Sri Lankan Indian. But European I don't think.
No, I don't think so.
Maldivian also not.
Or Americans.
Yeah.
Bit spicy for us.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Cucumbers! They grow, or are they zucchini or cucumber? Can I grab this one?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah. It's beautiful. Oh, they've got little flowers on the end. This is so much better than grocery shopping. I would do this any day. And capsicum? That's it for dinner. Let's go. With the ingredients bought, the chefs at Shangri La curate a menu that is local, seasonal, and with your dietary preferences in mind. Tonight, I'm served fresh fruit-based cocktails, tuna steak, and a light salad with everything sourced from Medhoo. The farm to plate is a wonderful experience that encourages guests to step outside of the resort, experience Maldivian culture and hospitality, and tantalize your taste buds.